Well, good afternoon, everyone, and welcome to Washington. And it's wonderful to be here with my friend John, who I have not seen since we were honorary chairs of the Michigan football team, which Jim, by the way, I am honored. Mary Gay is the lawyer. I'm the advocate. I do what she tells me and John tells me to do. I wish I had a law degree, but Jim Harbaugh is actually the one that came. I'm going to tell you the truth. I do care deeply about this, and Jim knows it. But he came into my office and said, I just told John you would be the founding co-chair, and I do whatever Jim Harbaugh tells me to do. I only wish the Michigan football team would listen a little more some days. But I want to say, I can't tell you how wonderful it is to be here with Mary Gay Scanlon, who is just one of the consciences of the House and does so much. But you know, when Jim Harbaugh came into my office and introduced us and first talked about this, I said, of course I will, because I know how important it is that people have access to legal counsel. And there are too many people across this country that don't have a level playing field. They can't afford access, they can't find a lawyer. And you know, it's all kinds of things. I am someone who has been an advocate for domestic abuse for all my life, because I unfortunately grew up in a home where everybody looks at somebody like me and thinks it doesn't happen in homes like mine. And hey, I was a kid. The police didn't even listen to you. I'm not old, but I'm seasoned. And in those days, hey, her father's somebody. I've worked with a lot of women who can't afford a lawyer, who think they have no recourse but to stay in a situation because they can't protect their kids and they can't find somebody to help them. I've had people that are disabled being evicted from the homes as we're leaving, this quote, we supposedly are leaving the public health crisis in May when the public health expires. People whose water is being turned off now because they can't afford the water, let alone men and women who have been accused of crimes that have nobody that is going to help them. And in my district in Michigan, which is now the 6th, after redistricting, the 6th district, I work hand in hand. The casework that I do, if I didn't have the legal services there, they help. They're there. They're the extra hand. I will call and say, I got somebody who needs somebody. And you know what? The pandemic has led to a dearth of people being there to help. We're not putting the money into this that we need to. And all of you and your concern and your investment give us hope. So I thank you for what you're doing. I thank you for being here. I'm here to just support you. We'll keep doing what you tell us to do, John. And I also have to, when John Grisham sat next to me, I thought, okay, what member is he? I know him from somewhere. He's my favorite author. Every time, I've already pre-ordered. So I can't tell you how great it is to be with all of you, but from Mary Gay, we'll talk about this too. You all are the heroes. We're here to make sure you can do your job and get more to help you do your job. Thank you very much.